how to go ahead and post your request. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and fund your wallet. Funding your wallet with the amount of money you are going to pay an artisan is required. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the wallet section. So once you click on this wallet section, your dashboard is going to look like this, all right? So the next thing you want to do is to click on this deposit section, input the amount. We have a minimum of, you can actually fund your account with a minimum of 1,000 naira. So you want to go ahead and fund the amount of money you are willing to pay the artisan to fix a certain thing or to help you do a certain job. So for example, I'm going to say 2,000 naira, then you click on deposit. Then once you click on deposit, you are going to be charged a 5% fee. Then once you deposited, then you input your card details and you deposit the money into your account. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and create a request. So to create a request, you come to the request section, click on the drop down and click on create request. So getting to the request page, you need to upload an image of what you are trying to fix. For example, you're trying to fix your bed frame, then you have to click on browse image, then select the particular bed frame picture you're trying to fix. You might go ahead and snap the picture of that bed frame, then upload it into your request. Then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and put in a request title. For example, I'll say fix my bed frame. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to put in a request budget. Remember, I funded my account with 2,000 naira. So I'm going to say 2,000 naira. Then the next thing I'm going to do is select a request specialty. Then click on carpenter, for example. It's important for you to go ahead and select the right specialty, because without selecting the right specialty, artisans in that category are going to reject the particular request you're sending. And also, artisans might also go ahead and might reject your request based on your budget. So you want to try as much as possible to be reasonable when you're actually feeding the request budget. So coming to the request description, try as much as possible to give detailed information on what you are trying to fix. Remember, the request title is just a brief title saying what you're trying to do. Then the request description is giving a more detailed explanation on what you are trying to do. Then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and input a request due date. Then in order for you to do that, you click on this icon right here. Clicking on this icon right here is going to bring a calendar pop-up. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the right date. So I'm going to say I want this to be completed by 24. Then I will select a time. I'm going to say this. Let me say I'll say 12. Then I'll say EM. Okay, then I'll click this. So yeah, done. So I'll also input a request location. It's also advisable that you go ahead and put in the right location. Then in order for you to do this, you click on the request location section. Then for example, let's say I stay at Ikeja, Lagos. I'm going to put in Ikeja, Lagos. But let me say Ikeja GRA, Lagos. Right, I'll just put that Ikeja GRA, then I'll put that, then click on save request. So if I click on save request, my account is going to be, if I click on save request, the system is going to deduct 2,000 naira from my wallet. Okay, as you can see right here, I can't post this request because I don't have this amount of money in my account. Why? Because the system is going to place the 2,000 naira on hold till that particular job is completed. And once this job is sent out to artisans in that category, an artisan is going to accept your request. And once the artisan has accepted your request, the next thing you're going to see is you'll be able to go ahead and chat with that particular artisan, right? You'll be able to chat with that particular artisan right here in the inbox section. Then you guys can chat, then try as much as possible to connect, and maybe if possible the artisan can also come to your office or your house to fix that particular problem you're having. And with that said, once the artisan is done with the job, all you have to do is to come back to my request section. Then you just click on completed, job completed. Once you click on job completed, then that artisan is going to click on job completed also, and the money will be released from your account to the artisan's account. So this is how to go ahead and post a request and also have a successful job completion in your account. So with that said, that's it on how to go ahead and post a request on Artisan Connect, and also how to go ahead and fund your account. And lastly, before I end this video, you can also go ahead and buy products from artisans once it's published on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see certain products uploaded by other artisans. But right now, you can see the marketplace is empty. So as time goes on, you're going to see products in the marketplace. Artisans can also go ahead and post their own. They can also post the listings on the marketplace. And lastly, you can go ahead and check your transaction history once a job is completed to see how much was deducted, the fee, and the date and status and other things about the particular transaction. And you can also learn more about Artisan Connect by coming to the help section. With that said, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.